What is up? This is Tanner Travels here, and today we're actually unboxing
the Reshiram and Charizard GX box.
So it's Pokemon, if you've heard of it, and we're just gonna see
if it's a good deal for its money. It was about $50, and we're gonna see if it's good.
So it says right here that it has 10 of these little booster packs and 2 of these golden Pokemon rare GXs, Reshiram and Charizard.
So let's open this up. Okay,
so just
careful.
Cut. Don't use a knife without an adult's supervision. Okay, it's open. Let's see. Okay, here it is. So, from the other boxes I opened, I see that you actually have to pull this open like that. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. Look at that. That is good. Look at that. We have a bunch of packs right here. There's a bunch of them. But this, you should keep in some really good condition, maybe in a safe or somewhere that it won't get bad damaged. This is a TCG Pokemon card. It just comes in the packs, and you can scan them and you get more stuff. I think in the Pokemon Go game. I don't really know though. So this is the front. We have the little one right here. We're gonna actually have to pop this. Whoa! Oh, that came back. Then it slides out. There's a little one. So there's a big one and a little one. So now we're gonna actually get in the packs. I'm only gonna open 2 today, so I have some for the extra days and like rainy days and boring days where I don't have anything to do. So my way of opening it, I just go like this. You pull from the top, and then you'll make a little notch in there. That should get in there, or you could just use the side like that and rip it open. So the first one I got was this, Ferroseed. I'm gonna look at all of them. Ooh, wow, okay. Cherokee. So I got 2 really good ones in here, and the 2 were actually called Legendary or Mythical. So Legendary or these 2. The Legendary and Mythical ones are like, they come in, like if you want to know more about them, you can get this Pokemon book that tells you everything you need to know. So Jonah is actually getting to the next packs.
So here's the next pack. The first one's a Joltik. So in this pack we have Joltik, Mudbray, Pick-a-Peck, Seedot, Sandile, another Sandile, and Mega, an energy card, Swallow, and Galvantula, and then an Aromatic.
An energy. So I think we're gonna open 1 or 2. We're gonna open 3 more. Yeah, let's just open 3 more. So we're gonna open all these. They're called Evolving Skies. They can include, it says on the back, it can include a Duraludon VMAX, Rayquaza VMAX, Dragonite V, Northern V, and more. So we're going to open the first one. It has a Duraludon VMAX. Jonah's going to open this one while I open this one. So let's see what's in it. I'm going to do it the first way I showed you, going like that because it doesn't have a tab. Some of them don't come with tabs, so just saying. Oh, this tab is not with me. Cool, Pikachu. The first
pack has Pikachu, Seedot, Lillipup, Bagon, Litleo, Trainer Ribbon Badge, Flapple, Dark Energy, Lombre, Vigoroth.
Oh, okay, I'm sorry to interrupt, but I think I actually got a Gyarados V. That is really good. These are worth, I looked it up, and they're like $13, so that's a really good one. Oh, and I also got a Ryan. That's good. Another TCG card. Gyarados V. Oh man, I've been wanting to do that. The other ones were Marie, Zoroa, Tentacool, Hoppip, Dino, and Feebas. So, yeah.
Okay, here's
You might,
last.
since there's a Gyarados V, you might actually get a Gyarados V Max. So,
Here's the last pack right here.
last pack.
Let's see what it is.
Just a bunch of trash right here.
Okay, the first card's a
Petil.
Petilli. Then we got Pikachu, Pumpkaboo, Rufflet, Lotad, Toy Catcher, Thievul, Energy, Gordy, Zweilous, and Nuzleaf.
No rare, but this is still a good rare. I think we're going to actually open all of them, though, because
Okay,
you want to get those rares.
let's just
So, the next ones are Chilling Rain. So, I'm opening this. The tab came off really easy, but it doesn't have a tab on the middle, so I just use that. Ooh, the first one is a Quillfish. See? I have, other than Quillfish, I have Quillfish, Ralts, Heracross, Castform, Sunnyform, Steel, Glade, Reverse Hollow, so that's good. A Golurk, an Energy, an Old Cemetery, which is a character card, a Steenie, and a Dynama Treehill. So that's
Okay,
good.
and then in the pack I opened, I got Castform, Snowy Form, Hatina, Aron, Ralts, Venipede, Echoing Horn,
Whoa, a single strike Urshifu. That's cool.
2 trainer cards, Flanary, Rugged Helmet, Grass Energy card, and Crabrominable.
I'm gonna actually start on this pack now. So, ooh, it could have Articuno, Zapdos, or Moltres. So that's good.
I'll do this one.
Look at this.
Oh boy. What do we got?
So the first one is a Venipede, Spheal, Crabrawler, Golett, Porygon, Fire Resistant Gloves. Oh, a Galarian Slowking. Hollow. Energy, Lucky Energy, Galarian Chestplate, and a Flappy.
Okay.
That's good.
In my pack, I got Castform, Ladybug, Golett, Clobbopus, another Castform, Snowy Form, Grookey, Glade, Energy, Psychic, an Old Cemetery card, Raboot, and Agatha.
Oh, let's see some of these up close. What's that one?
The single
Urshifu.
Rapid Strike Urshifu. Okay, last pack.
Last pack there is. Oh, there's a rare in here. I saw it. Okay, Castform, Sonyform, regular Castform, Ladybug, Golett, Clobbopus, Weedle, Blaziken VMAX,
That's cool.
Fighting Energy, Karen's Conviction, Weeding Gloves, Kakuna, and TCG card.
Let's get a look at that Blaziken up close. Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
It's really cool.
So, yeah, you got
And that's the
packs.
all the packs.
So we're looking for all the good ones so we can put them in a pile so you guys can look at them. Okay.
What do you think, JoJo?
It's really cool.
Yeah, that was a good box, right?
That's a lot of good ones.
Was it worth $55? Maybe
I would
not.
say.
Maybe not, but
You don't.
still, you never know.
Uh-huh. We'll look up the prices and we'll see.